I'll be trying Gatorade's Rainberry flavor. Looks like it's black raspberries with blackberries. Definitely has a berry smell. That's tasty. That's nice. Now it says 75% less sugar. Total sugar's 8 added. It's hard to read this. I don't know why they can't use a more contrasting ink colors. Water, sugar, natural flavor, stevia. Okay, stevia leaf extract. So that's the rest of the sweetener. I don't know if you'll be able to read it. Oh, maybe you can read it better on the. I like it. It's got a good blackberry taste.